What's up, guys? Welcome to War Room Finance, where we go over weekly news about stocks, crypto, and other investments. Today is March 3rd, 2022, and let's dive right in.
All right. So, has anyone seen like the Ruble? I mean, the Ruble. It's pretty much it's been getting hammered hard by the sanctions. The whole SWIFT stuff too.
Yeah, it's under $1 cent right now.
Oh yeah, it is under. So 1 penny to
Damn,
so you're getting less.
Penny.
Not even
Less
one
than a
penny.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's like Two-Face and worthless, like a penny. But that's even worse though. Yeah, that sucks. Oh well. And what can we do about it? They're at war. They chose this.
Yeah, dude, they chose that.
Yeah, so obviously they've been cut out of SWIFT, and there's a lot of financial things that have been cut off from them, and so a lot of their reserves they can't touch. Then it's really going to make it hard for them to fund even being in war, because they don't have access to their money, and all of their citizens are pretty much trying to pull out money and exchange it right for other currencies, and so I mean they really messed up their currency with this war.
They should have bought Roblox tokens, and that would have been a good hedge.
A lot of people are mad though.
Worth more? Or what? How much is Roblox?
It's like 11 cents.
11 cents. Dang.
Oh no! Actually, wait. I take it back. It's 1.5 cent.
Okay.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. So Roblox is actually worth more than the Ruble itself.
Everyone they sanctioned, they froze their assets and their bank accounts and stuff like that, but they didn't stop the importing or exporting oil and all that stuff, the energy stuff. That's why everyone was mad though. It's dude, you're doing everything but actually hurt them. Because they make most of their money from oil. I think I forgot what the percentage was.
10%. It's 40% of their economy is oil.
Yeah, so all of this has pretty much jacked up the prices for oil. Like right here in the valley, we're about $5, LA $6. So right here's the price of crude oil. So at the pandemic, it dropped to 60, pretty much zero. If people remember that it went to zero, right? Not zero, but it was
it was negative at one point.
Yeah, so it went negative at one point, something like that. And I remember everyone was freaking out, do I get free oil or what?
Brief. It was I think only one day or something.
Yeah, one day negative. Or for a few days. And then and then now it's over 100.
I can't imagine how much machine shops are hurting with that right now. Sheesh.
Not even that. It's FedEx. What about the UPS? Yeah, I feel that America runs on coffee and oil. Tapes, you're the one that got a Tesla, right? So you're not feeling anything. I mean, you don't feel any of that, huh?
Nope, no sir, Bob.
You're just chilling.
Yeah, I just paid $7.99.
Wait, a week, a day, or what's that? $7.99.
The last time I put gas, I charged it was 2 weeks ago.
Damn, and $7 will last you that long?
Yeah, almost 300 miles.
All right, so one thing that I came across was how TikTok wants to bump their videos to 10 minutes long. Because literally right now, no one can come close to the YouTube numbers, to the audience, and then the traffic that they get through.
Oh yeah, that's true. TikTok is literally the number one social media platform in the world right now.
It's killing it right now.
Yeah, so let's say TikTok does allow 10-minute videos, how many YouTubers can, or how many content creators can start making longer videos there and start taking some traffic away from Google, and that'll probably be the first, because no other media company can do that. From the big FANG sector.
Yeah.
Right.
My only thing about it is that they're not a website.
Oh, yeah, you're right, huh? I mean, but I'm pretty sure that they could configure it. They
use TikTok on your desktop, but some features
not the same. It's not the same.
No, yeah. Some features are limited.
On a big widescreen TV, I don't want to see a video.
Right.
It's not. That's the only thing that's keeping me from saying that it could dominate YouTube, because YouTube has integrated both.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? It has the whole flip. It flips. I mean, I'm sure TikTok can do the same.
I mean, how hard could it be? How hard could it be? That's what I'm trying. I mean, I don't
Yeah,
think
you
it's that
know,
hard.
I'm kind of worried about
It's like
I'm kind
reinventing
of
the wheel, though.
It's just about the content.
yeah,
Yeah, the
well, I'm
content.
kind of bearish on this move because like I'm kind of thinking, you know, if TikTok starts to try to be everything, then they're gonna lose what made them popular, which was, you know, short
Clips.
content that's easy
Yeah.
to
I mean, that's
digest
kind
and
of why
stuff. And I
Vine
think
died.
and I'm just like, okay, if they start putting out longer videos, you know, maybe it'll be a situation where people don't catch on to the long stuff on TikTok because they're already using YouTube and stuff.
Yeah, yeah. And now, like, can you imagine just going to your neighbor's house and him having like a Russian tank on his backyard? Like, how do you write that off on, like, in your taxes?
Well, good news, bro. Now you don't have to. You could tax free taking
Military
property, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I didn't think about that because I've been seeing like lots of clips online how like people are just like someone was towing away like a Russian tank, like some farmer. I was like, oh man, that's crazy. Like they just kept the tank.
They did the same thing in Afghanistan, bro. They were towing the freaking helicopters.
Did you guys see how the Ethereum and then like the whole NFT project are starting to like pull out more donations for the whole like Ukraine movement that's been going on lately?
Yeah, of course. You know, yeah, I've been seeing stuff about that. People donating to Ukraine with crypto.
Mainly, people are moving like Bitcoin though, or is there more coins that they're moving?
I think they did like some NFT drops, like on
I'm looking for the artist. There's an artist who created like a bunch of different NFT projects specifically for the Ukraine.
Was it the one with like the two cats that were like?
I'm not sure.
They're like.
But yeah, so like I guess like they've been doing like a few, or they did like a big NFT drop, and then like all that money went to like Ukraine and all that stuff.
This band called Pussy Riot, they actually made a bunch of NFTs too, and they raised like $17 million for the Ukraine. They're Ukraine artists. That's why.
Oh, oh, damn, that's pretty cool. Yeah, and then like since a lot of these Russians are starting to buying crypto, and like I guess this Bill Browder said that like the brokers should shut down their accounts, or should like freeze their accounts, that way they don't transfer any funds, which I thought it was kind of like a really bad comment to say, but then again, like they want to punish Russia.
Yeah, I mean that's kind of, I mean, yeah, I don't think that's like a really good thing, because you know it's the Russian people who, I mean, I'm sure some oligarchs and stuff are buying Bitcoin too, but I think a lot of it is Russian people, you know, and it's not the people's fault that they're in this war, and they're hurting now too. But yeah, you know, I think a lot of their citizens are moving to crypto because their fiat, you know, currency is devalued, and
Roblox.
you know, yeah, you know, and it's a safe haven, and you know, it's kind of showing how in times of crisis people will go to Bitcoin to store their value.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys seen, but the third biggest bank in Europe, which is the Russian Serb Bank, it dropped 95%. Was it today, I think, or last night?
Geez.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's right.
It got a 95% drop. This is like almost like catastrophic. Like, do you even have any like a?
It got nuked, bro.
Yeah, I got nuked.
That's a nuke, bro, for real. Damn.
So I'm assuming the nuke landed like in the wrong side of the war for Russia. But yeah, so like I'm gonna put the chart right now, and then like look at it.
Crazy.
Oh, damn! I'm
look at that red
waking up at like market open.
Boop. Yeah, look at that. It just looks like a red line.
Wow, what the heck, dude?
Bro, that's great depression numbers right there.
Yeah, you got wiped. Like everything.
No, that's
wiped.
just wiped. That's just
deleted.
You're just deleted, bro.
Deleted.
Man, that's like
right now, I'm just saying delete.
I heard, but I can't confirm that oligarchs are not allowed to sell. like Putin is not allowing the oligarchs
No
to sell.
way.
Oh, so they had to hold the bag, huh?
And some assets. Like,
What bag?
What bag? Well, yeah.
Even the bag is gone.
Like this kind of comes back full circle. How like crypto can help out the Ukrainians, and also like kind of Russia can kind of seek some relief out of this, even though the EU and America trying to punish them.
Yeah.
They kind of found like a back door.
Well, literally look at the coin, what it says. Digital, decentralized. That's literally what that coin says.
Oh yeah, I didn't see it. Digital, decentralized, peer-to-peer.
Yeah.
I never actually read that until right now. Yeah, you're right. It's digital, decentralized, peer-to-peer. Yeah, that's what it is. Then like the whole world is trying to cancel Russia this week. We got a Spotify, Oracle, H&M.
Even all the sports kicked them out already.
Yeah, FIFA's out. I mean, FIFA kicked them out.
Bam.
Yeah, like Monday by FIFA decision union.
Yeah, Honda's not sending no more. Honda is going to stop sending cars to Russia or any type of like hardware.
Damn.
Yeah, Google, Dell.
Mobile.
Oh, EA Sports. Wow.
Nike.
Yeah, I got Nike.
Ford, Apple.
Yeah, it's bad. BMW.
They're canceled, dude, bro.
Yeah, they're getting canceled. Like
that's canceled right there.
Russia's canceled, dude.
Canceled.
So said cancel Russia.
Pretty. Yeah, they like Russia's getting canceled this week. Have you guys seen that new Coinbase ledger / like hard wallets that they've been promoting recently?
No.
Yeah, so I got this
Not
email.
Sponsored.
Not sponsored. Yeah, Jair, do you know anything about this? Since I know you're pretty big on wallets. And,
I just think it's I think it has like an extension for the cold wallet, but it doesn't have anything special to it besides that like etching on the side of it.
All right.
It's just kind of like I think it does have like an extension to the cold wallet, not the exchange. Because I remember you showed us the email about the cold wallet.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, I guess you use the ledger with Coinbase wallet.
So they're kind of compatible.
Yeah.
You can kind of like build in.
You probably move stuff around. I'm not sure if you can stake on the cold wallet. Never really used their cold wallet, to be honest.
All right. Tape just sent me this link here. How they did a collab.
Oh, Fendi and Ledger. Hey.
Yeah, it's coming out in June. Like they don't want to.
What? It's like a little bag.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Wow.
The heck.
That's kind of cool.
I would not be walking around with this like
I would.
public.
But that's cool. I would
Let me see.
Sure.
Yeah,
That's all extra. How much is that shit?
$150.
$150. Damn.
that bag.
Yeah, retail.
Man, not sponsored once again. I'm just waiting for that Supreme ledger.
That's what I was gonna say. I was like, I think that's Supreme one.
Yeah, it's a little different, and that one has like the little rectangle around it.
So, like talking about drip and Supreme and all that stuff.
You'll never find Supreme in Foot Locker, bro.
All right. Well,
Foot Locker. Oh, geez.
So what happened? So what happened is that Nike pulled out. Yeah, Nike pulled out of Foot Locker. So now Nike wants to sell their own stuff.
Oh,
and then like
whoa.
Yeah, and then like I bought it like let me see I bought it like somewhere here like last like 2020, right? Like no, I mean, the crash was here. I saw it and I broke even. I was kind of pissed off.
When was that peak there? How long ago?
This was in
June.
Last June.
No, May last year.
Yeah, June, July, around there. But I was pretty happy right here. And then,
that's when they bought out WSS. And look at it, now they took that dip. Damn, that sucks.
Yeah, but
that's when they bought out WSS.
I think that's when that happened, like in June, July.
Yeah, and then like this red candle here, like this whole red bloodshed is because of the Nike pullout deal. And that's why I pretty much like lost confidence in Foot Locker after that. Because like Nike was like 40% of their revenue.
Yeah.
It was a lot. So I pulled out and then I bought this right here. I don't know. I don't know how many of you guys.
Colgate, Palm, you bought Colgate.
Like,
I mean, they're a safe haven stock for sure.
Look at this. Look at that. You're telling me that this is not a good stock to buy? Like, who does not brush their teeth?
How did you find this? That's crazy.
I do a lot of. I just have time. I have time, and then I. Okay, so yeah, to check it out. So like, dude, how the hell can you not buy a Colgate? Look at this bad boy.
That's insane.
Yeah. Okay, and then to I guess close up the episode. We have a few memes here. The first one, which happened today.
Is this the new F your puts?
Yeah, because like I guess like everyone was expecting a 0.50 raise on interest, but we got a 0.25 instead, which was a lot better. I know Tapes was trying to like, I know like most guys were saying like 1% or something like that, or 2%.
Well, we're gonna see 1% throughout the whole year, no?
Oh yeah.
For sure, by the end of the year.
Oh, yeah.
Because I
was saying 3% end the year.
For sure. I mean, because people, and when I say people, I mean like, financial media commentators and stuff. They're talking about like now, we could see like 8 rate hikes, or more.
Throughout
people,
the year?
Yeah, this year, right?
This year?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to see, how we can get inflation under control. But yeah, because I know before it was like 4 rate hikes, but there's talk about like more now. 6, 7, 8 rate hikes this year.
Wait till they do the CPI for last month.
Yeah, but I think with Jerome Powell only going quarter of a whole number, I think we should be fine. And I think the market was very like they didn't know how much the Fed was going to increase, but now that they have the news, I can see like a comeback. I can look at the SPY, and it was pretty. I mean, it was like it's starting to reverse. Starting to see like a reversal. But yeah, since I guess like they don't the market didn't like uncertainty, but now that we know how much we're gonna raise it, like all right,
yeah, it was all getting priced in from the start.
Yeah, I don't say that.
Yeah, but now that we know the number, I think the market feels like a lot more confident going forward. All right, and the other meme is this one right here. Tough. Wait, what trips me out is like, how can people be like in 98 discords?
Trying to get that whitelist, bro.
That whitelist, bro.
NFT drop.
That rare.
That like hollow rare NFT drop.
Trying to get in on that floor price, bro.
And then it says my taxes are 317 pages long. That sounds painful.
Yeah, for a $17 game.
For a $17 game.
Yeah, facts.
Wait, facts? That's man. That's tough. Yeah, like you hate to see it, boys. All right, and the last one today. Well, it's not a meme. It's more kind of like it was just kind of shocking.
State of the market.
Yeah, it's like, are we in a bubble? Are we like in crisis?
Man, imagine showing up and seeing all these people looking at the house that you want to buy. I bet it makes you feel like crap. You're like, dude, how can I compete in this, man?
You compete by jacking it up $250,000 over listing. But yeah, it's tough. Bad. It's tough. Yeah, it's tough.
I had the cops called on one of the open houses because there was too many cars. That's crazy.
Yeah, so like it's like
wow.
That's insane. It just shows the state of the market.
All right, so I just counted my discords. It was like 43. So
you're 43 discords.
Wait, that boy Stephen Graham.
Oh, commented. I know.
Zillow says it's worthless. What?
I don't know, because I guess like Zillow prices are always way off.
They're trying to hustle the realtor and stuff. Like that's the take.
Oh, Zillow, yeah.
I can't tell if we have like a housing crisis or we're like at the peak FOMO / the bubble's going to pop soon. Like, what do you guys think?
Entail though? Like, what is?
Just because like people are asking, I mean, people are just putting so much money like on top of whatever the listing is.
Yeah.
I mean, I think for sure, looking like a bubble, because and we do have a bit of a crisis to it, and I'll explain on that. But inventory historically low, interest rates still pretty much historically low. And now that people know interest rates are going to creep up, they're like, shit, I have to buy a place now because my mortgage later is going to be more expensive. And prices are going up because there's no inventory, and that's causing demand to go even higher and people to bid more. And we do have a crisis. And I think in the fact that there is such a low inventory and rent is going up crazy. So people are having a hard time paying for rent because, let's be honest, renting is always more expensive for like the same type of place than it is to buy. And so, we have a housing crisis where there's not enough homes and people are struggling to make rent. And, some people are going to probably be evicted and stuff because they can't pay these like higher rents now.
Man, you're right. It's like 40, 30, 20%.
They're getting gentrified pretty much, but like in a different kind of sense.
Yeah, like to me, like real estate is like the final pinnacle of like investing, because like pretty much we do everything to eventually get to real estate, right? Like we stocks, crypto, side hustles, and anything that we can, and then like that's pretty much the end game, just to move most of the portfolio there, not be fully on real estate. So I guess that's a wrap for today.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching Whole Room Finance. Catch us next week. Peace.